This plant must be dead. It may belong to a business person, someone who spends a long time away. It can't be a gardener's plant. This person would take more care of it. Hi and welcome to Linguist. I'm Laura, and today's class is about modals of deduction and speculation. Our friend Sherlock Holmes often uses modal verbs to make deductions. That is, to observe and use the evidence and information that we have to consider possibilities and guess what is happening. And that's exactly what we'll be doing today. First, we're going to have a look at the modal verbs we usually use to guess, deduct, or speculate about situations in the present. And then when we are ready, we're going to practice guessing together with some activities. You and I are going to become private investigators. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to our channel Linguist, like our lessons and share them with your friends. And of course, have a look at our social media, where you can find daily posts, quizzes, activities, mini lessons, and much, much more. And our first modal verb when making deductions is must. This is the option we use when we are almost 100% sure that something is true. Based on the evidence and the information we have, based on our life experience, we are almost sure that something is in a particular way. Let's look at some examples together to understand this a bit better. Anna has just arrived and her clothes are wet. It must be raining. I don't know 100% because I haven't been outside myself. I haven't seen the rain with my own eyes, but based on my experience, knowing that she's coming from the street and seeing that she's all wet, I'm quite sure that it must be raining. Notice that the verb following a modal verb, in this case must, needs to appear in a bare infinitive form. That is an infinitive without to, just the normal verb. For example, must be, must have, must feel. Let's look at another example. Wow, look at that house. It must be expensive. Based on my knowledge and my common sense, I'm pretty sure that that house is expensive because it's very big, it's very modern, it's in a very good location, it's good quality. I'm pretty sure that it is expensive, so that house must be expensive. Or, I can't find my keys. They must be on the table. I'm pretty sure they are on the table because that's where they were the last time I saw them. And I don't remember having put them in my pocket before leaving, so I'm pretty sure they are still there. They must be on the table. Let's now have a look at the modal verbs may, might, and could. These are the options we use in situations in which we are not 100% sure, but we think that something is possible. There are possibilities that something could be in a particular way. Some examples are, my flatmate is still in bed. She may be sick. I'm not 100% sure about that, but she usually wakes up early and she hasn't woken up yet. It's possible that she's sick. Maybe she's not feeling well, so she may be sick. I'll have to go and check. Or, John hasn't answered my text messages. He might be busy. I don't know 100%, but it's very possible that if he's very busy and he has a lot of work to do, he has not checked his phone, so he might be busy. Another situation is, Angela didn't come to work yesterday. She could be on holiday. Again, I don't know for sure, but if she didn't come to work, it's very likely and possible that it is because she's off, because she's on holiday, so she could be on holiday. Lucky her. And our last modal verb to guess and make deductions is can't. We use this one in situations in which we are almost 100% sure that something is not true. We're almost sure that something is not possible. Let's see some examples. David's flight arrives tonight, so that guy there can't be David. Even though that guy looks a bit like David, he has similar hairstyle, similar clothes, I'm pretty sure that he's not David, because David is in a different country and he's arriving here tonight. So I'm pretty sure that's not a possibility. That guy can't be David. Or, it can't be true. You're lying. I'm almost 100% sure that what you're saying is not true. Because based on what I know, based on the information I have, what you say makes no sense. So, it can't be true. Or our last example, the chicken in the fridge can't be okay. It smells funny. That chicken has been in the fridge for a week. It has a weird color and smell. So I'm pretty sure that it's not okay to eat it. That chicken can't be okay. You'd better throw it away. And now it's time to practice using the modal verbs we've learned in the lesson today to guess, deduct, or speculate about present situations. So let's get ready and guess. If you saw this situation, which guesses or deductions would you make? She must have a lot of money because that's an expensive car. She may have a rich family and maybe they bought the car for her. She can't work as a cleaner because the salary of a cleaner is usually not okay to buy that kind of car. Which other guesses or deductions would you make if you saw this situation? Share them with us in the comments below. In this situation now, the student must be tired. He doesn't seem to be very energetic. He might not like the lesson, and that's why he decided to have a little nap. He can't be paying attention. He doesn't seem to be very awake. Share your guesses with us in the comments below. And these people now, they must be having fun because they're laughing and they have a happy face. Someone could be telling jokes and that's why everybody's laughing. They can't be at a funeral because that's not the normal attitude people have at a funeral. What else can you deduct? Share it with us below. Well, it must be time to finish. We'll see you very soon with new lessons to help improve your English. But don't forget to like this lesson if you have enjoyed it and share it with your friends. And follow us on our channel Linguaverse, where you can find very useful content to help you get the English level that you are looking for. For that, have a look at any of these 2 amazing videos we've already prepared for you. See you very soon, but in the meantime, practice this, enjoy it, and share it.